The Woodpeckers machine shop is hard at work manufacturing the one-time tool Clampzilla, and work begins on the powder-coated steel H-pads at a CNC mill. Next, the scissor arms are laser cut out of stainless steel. The parts move on to the time saver for cleanup and deburring. Then they are brush sanded for a smooth finish. The Acme threaded screw and Acme pivot bushing are turned over at our lathe department. Here, the pivot bushing is turned out of brass. The Acme threaded screw is turned out of stainless steel. After turning, the parts are hand inspected by the lathe operator for tolerance. Production continues on Clampzilla, and shipping will begin soon. So stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.